All right. Well, thank you everybody for joining us today. Today we are talking about a company that goes by the name of D.AI.SY. I don't know if anybody's heard of this one before or not, but D.AI.SY stands for Decentralized Artificial Intelligence System. The big thing to remember, obviously everybody saw the little write-up I did in the registration page, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here. I'm just going to hit a couple key points, and then we're going to get into a video. Okay, so today, instead of having somebody else present to us, we're just going to do a video. And the reason we're going to do the video is exactly 1 week ago today, they did a corporate presentation, and this corporate presentation is phenomenal. It really covers everything great. So I think we'll get a lot out of that one. So key thing to remember for this is not an investment into Forex and crypto trading. And the reason why I want to point that out is because that's where you get into trouble if you start saying that. That's where regulations will come in. This is a contribution to crowdfunding of AI trading development. Okay. While we're in the testing and development phase, we get to share in the profits, which is cool, which the Forex has actually produced 900% return over the last 13 months. So very impressive. And they've just made a breakthrough on their AI, and they're rolling it out called Crypto 2.0. And that'll be fully rolled out by July 1st. And they're expecting actually better results. So, disclaimer though, past performance does not guarantee future results. So, take everything with a grain of salt. They're hoping to achieve better, but they may not. Crypto is a funny one, right? You can see what happens sometimes when these markets go weird, like they have with regulations and stuff. So, one of the reasons I really wanted to look at this company and why I think it's good for our group at Financial Mastery Alliance is, well, number one, inherently Forex and crypto are very risky, right? They're always high risk, and they're high risk because there's lots of scams out there. There's, the markets, the regulations, like everything to do with it. There's so much risk involved. So when you're looking for a company, you can't look for a company that necessarily mitigates that risk, but you can look for a company that maybe balances that risk, right? So when I looked at this company, a couple of things I really liked is, number one, they have been around for about 2.5 years already. They started January 2021. And they have very visible ownership and very active ownership. And they're doing corporate calls. I think they do it every month. Don't quote me on that, but I just watched one on June 1st. And they put on live events all over the world. So February 2023, they did a live event in their global event in Dubai, and February 2024, they're going to do the exact same thing again. So, yeah, so when you see people being very active, they're not hiding, right? So I like seeing ownership that are active and very visible. So as I was saying, we're just going to watch a presentation today. This presentation is 40 minutes long. It is done by one of the leaders, I shouldn't say leaders, one of the owners of one of the corporate ownership guy by the name of Jeremy Roma, I do believe his name is. And like I said, it's about 40 minutes long, and we're going to jump right into it. Hold your questions till the very end, and once we're done, I'll see if I can answer everybody's questions. Sound good? Oh, do me a favor. As soon as I start this, if you can hear it good and see everything good, just give me a thumbs up in here so I know, and then I don't have to ask. Okay. And
D.AI.SY. What is D.AI.SY? D.AI.SY is a disruptive community with a limitless future. And I think when you see our business model today, what we have done, what we're doing, where we're going, you're going to definitely recognize and acknowledge that, yes, this is something special. Even if it's not something for you, certainly I think the achievements that D.AI.SY as a community and as a technology project have had is worthy of respect and applause. So thank you for being here with us today. Let's dive in and talk a little bit about who we are at D.AI.SY. And let's start out with a very special video from Dubai. This was a powerful moment for our leaders at our very first event, leadership event in Dubai, and really a forecast of who we are, what we've become today.
Aklım yitirmiş divane miyim? Aşk.
Accessing mainframe.
Initiating DAISY AI protocol.
System error. System rebooting. Power sequence starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Initiating DAISY global network.
The future is created by ideas whose time has come.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
And by those who believe that nothing is impossible. We are all born to do what has never been done. The journey of possibilities has no end. Only new frontiers. Only new frontiers. Blockchain, DeFi, NFT, AI. DAISY, Decentralized AI System, is the new frontier for financial technology and a new era of decentralized crowdfunding. Profits, equity, income. DAISY, where limitless ideas and courageous people unite to change their world for good.
I love it. Great memories thinking back to that launch event and where we are today. So let's dive in. What is DAISY? DAISY is a decentralized equity crowdfunding project on the blockchain, 100% built on smart contracts. And so it's really a decentralized crowdfunding platform. Currently, we are crowdfunding Endotech for the development of the DAISY AI project. And we'll tell a little bit more history here, but we're now 2.5 years into this development, and we've got some great news to share with everyone today. What an amazing journey it's been so far. And I think when you see what we've done to date and what we're currently launching in the market, you're going to definitely realize this is a very, very unique opportunity. Crowdfunders receive equity in Endotech and real-time rewards from the AI trading results in cryptocurrency and Forex. DAISY leverages the power of community to back breakthrough financial technologies using a business model where everyone wins with profits, equity, and income. And the project that we launched with we have now continued to develop and grow with over the last 2.5 years is called DAISY AI. DAISY stands for Decentralized AI System, and this is an AI technology being developed by Endotech, a breakthrough AI company founded and led by Dr. Anna Becker. DAISY AI is the next generation of AI trading, with the goal to create the #1 AI trading performance in all major markets. Endotech has a strong track record of developing the AI backbone for over 150 investment firms across the US, Europe, and Asia. For over 25 years, Dr. Becker has been recognized as a pioneer and leading scientist in the field of AI and financial technology. Her publications in machine learning systems have been distributed and integrated into many of the leading AI financial circles across Europe and America. In fact, you'll be hearing from Dr. Anna today as we announce the launch of the next version of AI and the new crypto momentum promotion. D.AI.SY has an incredible track record. Over 500 million plus USDT has been crowdfunded. 300 million plus has been generated in trading profits for the community. 200 million plus has been paid out in AI trading reward withdrawals. 160 million plus has been paid out in our referral plan, and over 200,000 wallets have contributed to the crowdfunding smart contract, and over 2 million transactions have taken place inside of that smart contract. So very, very powerful history, very powerful performance. We've certainly made it through many challenges together as we've grown, as the platform has grown and evolved, and some exciting things are happening. The most recent success that we're celebrating right now is we just finished up our 13th month, just finished up our first full year plus an extra month of the Forex AI. We launched in April of 2022. Over 900% profits in the past 13 months. Absolutely incredible, life-changing performance. And you can talk to any member of D.AI.SY that's involved, and they can show you those numbers directly from their back office as well. The Forex momentum promotion, which ended on June the 1st, generated 93 million in new contributions in May of 2023. So in a single month, the biggest month ever of growth in D.AI.SY, 93 million in new contributions in the month of May. We are now launching the new crypto momentum promo and the new crypto AI breakthrough performance. And that AI is not live in full trading mode yet. It's being implemented as we speak. Over the next couple of weeks or so, we hope by July 1st, that system will be fully live and will be going live with the new crypto AI trading. And so we have an incredible promotion that we're going to announce today as well to really put everyone in position to maximize this announcement and this launch that we're going to be hearing about today. Again, the launch of crypto AI, this is the highest performing AI since inception. Since Endotech's inception, this is the highest performing AI that they have ever achieved. We are running a promotion in the month of June where we are doubling the equity on crypto tiers starting at tier 5. And so when you contribute to the crypto tiers or the new crypto momentum pack that is also live as well, where 90% of your contribution goes into live trading, you're going to get 2x the equity in the month of June. So twice the equity in Endotech. And we're also launching the new crypto promo and the new crypto AI breakthrough performance. And so this is huge, huge momentum building into this. We've seen amazing performance the last year with the Forex trading. Now we are launching the highest performing AI that we have ever developed. This is literally a breakthrough. After 2.5 years of development, Dr. Anna reached out to us, I guess about a month and a half ago, and showed us. She said, guys, we did it. We have developed a full AI system, something that like nothing that exists in the world today. And the performance is the best that we've ever seen. And so that performance was back tested in every different asset class, from crypto to Forex to stocks to commodities, you name it, and just had the most powerful long-term consistent performance we have ever seen. And so we are launching this. This was the vision 2.5 years ago when D.AI.SY began. This was the vision. This is what we've been developing, what we have been crowdfunding. And now that result is getting ready to go live. It's been achieved, it's done, it's fully developed, and now it is simply being integrated into the live trading for the fund so that we can begin to implement that for the entire community. So guys, this is massive. You don't want to miss out on this crypto AI launch. In fact, we're going to hear from Dr. Anna right now as she gives us a little bit of insight into what they've achieved with this breakthrough.
Hello, dear Daisy community and valued Endotech clients. Thank you for joining us today. We are thrilled to be sharing the results of 12 years of innovation as we launch our groundbreaking new product. When we first spoke, I detailed our vision about creating breakthrough financial opportunities using AI. Today, I'm proud to present the culmination of that vision, the AI for financial investments that you helped build. Our vision revolved around harnessing the power of AI to dynamically evaluate technical and fundamental indicators. We assembled a swarm of AI experts specifically developed to assess these indicators. These experts, combined with our unique market state, have allowed us to evaluate fair value of assets and financial behavior of the traders in the right context. This laid the groundwork for our trading strategies to pull information within a market state context. So that was the vision we articulated years ago. And now I'm excited to reveal the product that represents the advancement we saw months ago. Today, I'm showing you the official product launch. Let me walk you through this remarkable AI revolution. Let's begin by examining all the pieces on the slide and then see them in action within the product itself. As you can see, our product brings together technical experts, fundamental experts, market states, and AI tools, all culminating in our powerful trading strategies. And now within the product, you can witness the trading strategies actively pulling information from the market states and the experts. The market states were determined by our technical and fundamental experts, utilizing our suite of AI tools, including LLM, LSTM, Bayesian network, and many other AI methodologies. When these elements come together, you can observe automated data ingestion, contextualizing through market states, and strategies being executed. And the most exciting part is that AI results are continuously improving. Just look at this remarkable progress. Dear Daisy community and Endotech clients, get ready to embrace the future of financial investment with our revolutionary AI product. Thank you all for being part of this journey.
So guys, we've seen it firsthand, and it's just extraordinary. And so, this is the reason why we're going to just make a big push over the next couple of months with the crypto AI, because this is really the manifestation of almost 3 years now of vision and building and growing together to reach this achievement. Some of the best quant scientists in the world have been working day in and day out with Dr. Anna to achieve this goal. And now we're launching the first version of that new AI to the world. And this is massive on every level. So what does it take for a person to get involved with Daisy? Well, you simply can begin at tier 1. Tier 1 is now a combo tier where you contribute to tier 1 in crypto, AI trading, as well as Forex AI trading. It's 100 USDT for each. So a total of 200 USDT for tier 1, and then tier 2, 200 USDT, tier 3, and you can choose between Forex or crypto on those additional tiers. Right now, we're launching a promotion with the crypto AI because of the new launch that is coming in July. Anyone who purchases tier 5 or above in crypto AI, this includes the crypto momentum pack that we'll be talking about, will receive equity in Endotech. In fact, if you contribute during the month of June, that equity is doubled, and this is a brand new 5% equity pool in Endotech. So this is a massive opportunity. If you've not been a part of the DAISY community until now, you'll quickly realize that this is one of the biggest benefits of being an equity crowdfunding model, is that each member does receive a real equity in Endotech. And we have just launched a brand new 5% equity pool that began on June the 1st. And so this is the biggest pool, the most undiluted pool that we have in all of DAISY. And this is available for everyone who contributes to the crypto AI tiers 5 and above. And that does include the momentum packs. What is a momentum pack? Well, once you get to tier 3, you have the opportunity to contribute to a tier 3 momentum pack. When you go to tier 4, you have the opportunity to also to add to your contribution a tier 4 momentum pack. And what the momentum pack does is places 90% of your contribution into live trading. Again, this begins at tier 3 and above, and you can contribute to 1 momentum pack per tier. When a person's a tier 10 member, it is unlimited momentum packs. Momentum packs, again, gives 90% into trading for the purpose of testing and development. Also has a 5% referral bonus and places 5% into the crypto momentum pools. So 100% of those momentum packs, 90% goes into live trading. The remaining 10% pays out to the community. Momentum packs receive the same number of equity shares as the regular tiers. So this is huge. When you're at tier 5 and above and you contribute to a momentum pack, not only is 90% of your contribution going into live trading, but you're also getting the same amount of equity as the initial tier contribution as well. And right now in the month of June, again, that's a 2x bonus for tiers 5 through 10. The equity tiers, instead of 25 shares of equity at tier 5, in the month of June, you'll have 50. Instead of 50 shares at tier 6, you'll get 100, and so on. So this is a big opportunity to just maximize your contribution with the crypto tiers and the crypto momentum pack. So very powerful opportunity to earn additional equity and have additional funds taking advantage of the AI performance, the new breakthrough AI that we've all been waiting for. Obviously, guys, there's a lot of benefits just to being a contributor in the DAISY crowdfund, the opportunity to own equity in this AI company, Endotech, and the development of this next level AI algorithms. Number 2 are the actual AI algorithm rewards, the ability to just enjoy the potential profits that are created from the AI's performance in the open market. And again, as we said, just the Forex AI alone is up over 900% over the last 13 months. So very powerful performance. And then number 3 is the potential for the matrix spillover. Just by being a contributor to DAISY, you actually become a member of the community. And we use a model that allows the community to grow. And as the community grows, members benefit from that together. It's a collective win. And so this is never a guarantee, but it's a great possibility. And for most members, this is a realized benefit, is you will have members of the community that are part of your referral network that you actually never referred to DAISY. And you'll get to benefit in some of those profits as well. And of course, DAISY is built around this affiliate model. And so we want to talk about that here today. How does the referral model work with DAISY? Because it's one of the most powerful components. Now, in DAISY, the biggest winner is the member, it's the contributor. But there is certainly a huge win that's available for those that choose to also refer DAISY to others. To participate in DAISY, it's all decentralized. We have found that the TronLink app or the TronLink Chrome extension, either one, are the best options to use to set up a decentralized Tron USDT wallet, to be able to engage and access the DAISY smart contract on the website. All of that can be done through TronLink And you can get with the person who invited you here today to get more details about that. So let's talk about this referral plan. Well, we've got, personal referrals, we've got team referrals, and we've got some very powerful bonus pools as well that we'll talk about today. And some of those bonus pools have just been taken to the next level starting June 1st. Personal referrals, 5% of all tiers. So anybody you refer, 5% of their contribution immediately through the smart contract pays to your wallet. Same with the trading rewards, 3.5% of all of the trading rewards from your personal referrals through the smart contract when they request their withdrawal. For their profits, that 3.5% bonus automatically pays to your wallet. You also get a 10% check match. And so if you are building a team and you've got people that you've referred who are earning money, for example, in the matrix, you get a 10% check match on that matrix bonus. The builders pool is also a bonus pool that you can qualify for through personal referrals. And this is a permanent bonus pool. This is a 2-year bonus pool that's going to be paying out until June of 2025. We launched this exact same promotion a year ago with our Forex momentum packs, and it became, the builders and achievers pool became the most powerful bonus pools that we've ever had. So very excited to share the new details with you today on the builders pool. And then for team referrals, you can earn up to 4% of all of the tiers purchased through your entire organization, a 1% unilevel trading reward, plus the achievers pool. And this achievers pool has been it's been around $5,000 per share every month residually. And this is a permanent bonus pool. This is a long-term bonus pool. So once you qualify, and you can earn an unlimited number of shares in that achievers pool as well. So it's a very lucrative bonus pool. And then we have the Pacesetter Gold and the Pacesetter Leader pools that we'll be talking about today. This is the top rank of the project, if you will. When you achieve Pacesetter Leader, you've done some pretty exciting things, and we have some great recognition for those that have reached those achievements as well. So the matrix bonus, guys, I'm not going to go into tons of detail here. There's other videos that can do that, but we do use the smart contract is coded with a 3x10 matrix. So for example, when you purchase tier 1, you have generation 1 underneath you that has the potential for 3 members. Generation 2 then would have 9. Generation 3, 27, and so on. And that's why it's called a 3x10 matrix, because each level you're allowed 3 personals or 3 spillovers on that level. So it's called a 3x10 force matrix, and it allows the community to benefit as the community grows. That spillover takes place, and your genealogy, your referral structure can grow exponentially as a result of that. The other really neat part of our model is that each tier has its own matrix. And so when you get started with Daisy as a tier 1 member, you unlock tier 1 in Forex and tier 1 in crypto. And that means that matrix is now unlocked. You can actually start earning from people in your matrix that are contributing to tier 1. In order to unlock the tier 2 matrix, you need to upgrade to tier 2, and same with tier 3 and so on. So every time you upgrade to a new tier, you're actually unlocking the matrix as well for that tier. You're unlocking the ability to earn bonuses, override bonuses, as other people in your team upgrade to that tier as well. And this also includes overflow from the community. So this is a very powerful model that allows new opportunity every time you upgrade to another tier. It just opens up more and more opportunities to earn additional income. And that matrix bonus is hard-coded into the smart contract for tiers 1 and 2. It's 34% because 50% goes into live trading and 34% pays out in the matrix, and then 17% for tiers 3 through 10. 17% pays out in the matrix. By the way, we're the only referral model that pays out nearly 100%. In fact, in our promotion cases, it is 100%. Typically, we pay out all but 2.7%, which goes back into the operation side of the project as well as Endotech. But in the previous bonus pools, we've even given that back into the bonus pools as well. So, for example, with 50% going into live trading and 50% into equity, 46% pays out. With the tiers 3 through 10, you have 27.3% that pays out in the referral plan, and then 2.7% that goes to cover operations. And so all of that is in the smart contract. It's hard coded, and those numbers cannot be altered or changed. It's one of the reasons people love building with Daisy, because the referral model, the compensation model, is 100% coded on the blockchain. And so with the referral rewards, you get 5% of every personal referral. Again, you get 3.5% of all of the trading profits. This is so powerful. So if you refer a lot of folks who contribute and the AI is producing profits, you're earning 3.5% residual income on those profits. You're also getting a 10% check match on the referral, on the matrix earnings of every personal referral. And you get paid on all crypto and Forex tiers that are referred by you, and it pays immediately to your wallet. So there's definitely a big incentive in the Daisy model for personal referrals, certainly a huge incentive to build teams within the teams as well. But there is a tremendous advantage to personally referring people to the model, and it allows you to just maximize more and more the compensation plan. You also earn an additional 1% on generations 2 through 10. And so again, this is very powerful as your team grows, as it scales, as it multiplies beyond your personal referrals. That residual income is very, very powerful. It pays out every time they withdraw profits, and it pays out every 6 months automatically when the performance fee is triggered through the smart contract. We have a brand new crypto builders pool. Here's how this works. How do you qualify for this pool? Well, you need to become a new crypto tier 5 member in the month of June, or contribute to tier 5 crypto momentum pack in June. So you personally need to be make a new contribution to tier 5. You need to have any 5 personal referrals also contribute to either crypto or Forex tier 5 or tier 5 momentum packs in a calendar month, so in the month of June, and have any 5 personal referrals registered for the Dubai event. Now, they don't have to register in the month of June. Maybe they already registered in April or May or whatever. But as long as you have 5 personal referrals who have registered for the Dubai event, their wallet address has done the registration, then you qualify for 5 permanent shares in the builders pool, plus 25 shares in the new 5% equity pool. This is absolutely powerful. And this pool, this trading pool, pays out all the way till May 31st of 2025. So literally, we go out and do the work this month, and this pool will continue for the next 3 months and earn shares in this pool. This is a permanent residual pool that's going to pay out for the next 24 months. And the way that pool works is, first of all, that pool is being kickstarted with 500,000 USDT. So we're placing $500,000 USDT into live trading from day 1 of the pool. 5% of all of the momentum packs will go into this pool, and this includes crypto and Forex momentum packs, and 5% of all of the unilevel withdrawal breakage. And so anytime someone withdraws their profits, the performance fee pays out, the residual pays out. Any unpaid residual income goes into this trading pool. Those funds then trade. 70% of all of the profits at the end of every month, 70% of the profits are paid out to the shareholders, 15% goes to operations, and 15% remains in trading to compound those profits. And every month, this residual income pays out. There's no limit to how many shares you can earn. So again, contribute to crypto tier 5 or tier 5 momentum pack in June. Have 5 personal referrals contribute to tier 5 in Forex or crypto, also in June. Have any 5 personal referrals registered for the Dubai event, and you will earn 5 permanent shares in the builders pool, plus 25 shares of equity in the new 5% Endotech equity pool. So this crypto builders pool is absolutely powerful, and it just gets better with the achievers pool. For the achievers pool, when you have 200,000 in unilevel volume, that's your entire referral network, counting no more than 50% or 100,000 from any one unilevel team, you earn 1 permanent share in the Achievers pool. It's literally that simple. For every 200,000 in unilevel volume, you earn another share in this Achievers pool, and you can count up to 100,000 or 50% of that requirement from one personal referral leg. Your personal contributions count 100% towards the 200K. Forex tiers also count towards the 200K. And again, there's no limit on the number of shares you can earn. It pays till May 31st of 2025. So again, 500,000 USDT will be placed into this trading pool. 5% of all momentum packs and all of the unilevel withdrawal breakage will be divided between the builders pool and the achievers pool and placed into live trading. Again, the share qualifications contribute to crypto tier 5 or tier 5 crypto momentum pack in June. So you personally need to contribute. If you're already a tier 5 member in crypto, then you'll need to purchase a tier 5 crypto momentum pack. If you're not a tier 5 member yet in crypto, you'll simply upgrade your tiers to tier 5, and that meets the first qualification. Then every time you reach 200,000 in unilevel volume, not counting more than 50% or 100,000 from any one unilevel team, personal contributions count 100% towards the 200,000. And guys, the last Achievers pool that we ran, it was around $5,000 per share. Between $3,000 to $5,000, it would vary, but very consistently $4,000 and $5,000 per share in that Achievers pool. And this pool is actually going to be bigger. It's going to be less diluted and more aggressive than even the original Achievers pool. So huge opportunity to secure that residual monthly income just by sharing Daisy with others. And it gets even better, guys, because as you know, we have our big Dubai event coming up February 21st and 22nd in Dubai at the Coca-Cola Arena. And this is going to be the biggest event that we've ever had. Well over 10,000 people will be in attendance from 100 countries around the world. And we are the only project that actually takes the money from the ticket sales and invest it back into the community so that the supporters of that event, both the attendees and the promoters, can earn significant rewards throughout the year just by being a part of this event. So how does it work? Well, there's 2 bonus pools. There's an attendee pool, and then there's a promoter pool. So 50% of the ticket sales will go into the attendee pool. 50% of the ticket sales will go into the promoter pool, and they'll go into live trading in those 2 pools. Additionally, all of the funds from the previous event pool will be automatically transferred into the new pool. Once the profits are distributed, of course, all of the capital from the initial event pool from last year will automatically be added to the new bonus pools as well. So this is huge. This is a big jump start on these pools. And then, of course, 100% of all of the ticket sales, those funds go into live trading and the profits are shared back with the community. So how does it work? The attendee pool. Attend the Dubai event and get a share in the pool. It's that simple. Each person has a wallet connected to your distributorship. When you register for the event, you scan that wallet in, and we know that that wallet is attending the event, and you are automatically placed in the pool just for attending the event. Now, if you also have 2 personal referrals attend the event with you, you will get a second share in the attendee pool. So you'll get a bonus share by having 2 people with you. So that's definitely the best way to maximize this attendee pool. Now, for those of you that are really building Daisy and really want to maximize this opportunity, you want to focus on the promoter pool. The promoter pool allows you to earn 1 share for every 5 personal referrals that you have attending the event. In order to not delete the attendee pool, qualifiers in the promoter pool will earn 1 share in the attendee pool. So no bonus share in the attendee pool, because this is such a lucrative pool and we want to make sure that everybody's winning together here. But this pool, refer 5 people, bring 5 personal referrals to the event. This is going to be a very exciting, very juicy, very lucrative bonus pool. And there's no limit to how many shares you can earn in that pool. Again, the previous event pool trading funds will be included in the new pools. 50% of all ticket sales will be placed into trading for each pool, 100% in total. So what a big opportunity. You actually get paid to attend the event. No other project has ever done that before. We also continue our Pacesetter Gold reset, where if you achieve 128,000 in personal referral contributions in a single calendar month or in your first 30 days, and you have a total of 24 lifetime personal referrals, then you are now qualified for Pacesetter Gold, where you earn your share of 1.8% of all of the crowdfunding contributions, 1.25% of all of the global trading rewards, and you earn your share of a private 5% equity pool in Endotech. So this is a big achievement. We do big recognition for the Pacesetter goals. This is really the foundation of leadership in DAISY, is this leading by example and achieving Pacesetter Gold. And everyone has the opportunity to do that in June. And then Pacesetter Leader is you help 3 of your personal referrals become Pacesetter Gold. And there's an entire bonus pool set up for those leaders. Same bonus pool as the golds, same numbers, 1.8% of all contributions, 1.25% of all the global trading profit rewards, and you can earn unlimited shares in the leadership pool. So again, this is a very, very powerful opportunity here to secure additional residual income. And guys, Pacesetter leaders are, that's the top of the company. When you reach Pacesetter leader, and this is where we know that you're really duplicating, you're really building an organization, and this is a massive, massive achievement. And again, something that's available to everyone. We're going to continue the Pacesetter Golden Leadership reset all the way until September the 1st. I want to remind everyone, do not miss this event. Do not wait to register for this event, because it helps us have an accurate head count and be properly prepared ahead of time. This is the Limitless Event 2024 at the Coca-Cola Arena, February 21st and 22nd. You can go to limitless2024.com and you can actually use crypto to purchase that ticket and register it directly to your wallet address. And so make sure that you are locked in for this event. We also have a regional tour coming up as well. I don't have those slides built in here, but we will be doing our Europe tour in Budapest. We will be doing our South Africa tour in Cape Town, South Africa. Both of those events will be in September. And then in October, we will be doing the Asia tour, and that is going to be in Bangkok, Thailand, so that we can really reach all of Asia and make it accessible for as many people as possible. And we're just super excited. So guys, some great events coming up, great momentum happening. But right now, the name of the game is take advantage of these bonus pools, take advantage of the crypto momentum packs with the 2x equity in Endotech. And guys, get ready for an incredible launch of this new AI 2.0. This is the breakthrough we've been waiting for. And guys, as we always say at the end of every presentation, together we create history. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being a part of this decentralized movement. And we look forward to connecting with you in the near future. Hope you enjoyed the information.
All right, is everybody ready for the test? Everybody has that all figured out? There is a lot of information that you're probably going to have to watch 3, 4, 5 times before you really get it. And all of these different ways of earning these pools, like these pools are super, super lucrative, but you have to be a builder to achieve them. Like you definitely have to be working this one. You have to be out sharing, to be able to achieve those ones. But the ones that we can concentrate on early on are the uni level, the matrix, the referrals, stuff like that. And we can get some pretty lucrative bonuses there too. So does anybody have any questions?
Hey, Ryan.
I know there was a lot of info, so. Yeah, Ron?
For the month of June, they said they're going to give us a 2x bonus. Is that correct? Like what we contribute, they're gonna match it?
No. So the only the 2x bonus is shares in Endotech, so equity.
Oh, okay.
So if you, I think it's tier 5 and above momentum packs, if I recall, you actually just have the ability to earn more equity in the AI development company when they go public. So that's the idea behind that.
Are you going to Dubai?
Ooh, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Well, I don't have a whole lot of money in there right now. I am going to put some more into the, I originally put some money into the Forex side, and I didn't really put anything into the crypto because the crypto, the old version really wasn't performing that well. In fact, I think it's actually at a loss, over the last few months. So now that they're, as of July 1, they're hoping to roll out crypto 2.0. So hopefully that'll be as profitable as they're hoping it'll be, right? I know they did kind of talk about it on a different call that I was on, that they're hoping to achieve 5% a week. So
Okay.
I'll ask you the same question, Ryan, that I asked about CFX. Do you have lost days, or is every day a positive day?
they do have losing days for sure. In my back office, they do have a lot of, I don't have my back office up, so it would take a little bit to get connected. But they do have best day ever and worst day ever shown on the Forex side. And I think their worst day ever was a -4%, and their best day ever was almost a +6%.
Okay.
But in general, when you look at the curve is just like straight line, 45 degree. Yeah.
And how easy is it to get started? If one wanted to get started today, is it pretty easy, or?
There's a little bit of work because you have to get the TronLink wallet, which is either the Chrome extension or the app. You have to basically get USDT and TRX into your account and sitting in that wallet. And then you basically get your referral link and you connect with that wallet. And then it's pretty simple from there. It just kind of walks you through it itself. And then you can, what it does is it does a tier at a time. So when you first sign up, you'll do the first tiers in both crypto and Forex. And then once you're inside, then you can upgrade, so to speak.
Okay, so some of us have Tron and USDT and Exodus from the P2C thing. We can't use that. We have to use their specific wallet.
Yes, because this particular wallet, this TronLink, actually connects. So that's how you, if you recall, I say you don't have to do KYC in this. And the reason you don't do KYC is because it's decentralized. So what you do is you get this TronLink wallet, and when you go onto the website for D.AI.SY Global, it says, please connect to your wallet first. You connect to your wallet, and then it just logs you in. So the only person that's going into that is not James Rose. The person going into that is wallet number, blah, blah,
That
blah.
wallet.
Oh, that's not, doesn't have a name associated or anything, right?
Right, I got it. I think that wraps it up for me.
Okay.
So it gets funded with USDT on the Tron network.
Yep.
All right.
And it does use a fair bit of TRX for fees. And I think it's because of all of the little transactions that go on with a little bit goes to the person that referred you, a little bit goes here, a little bit goes there, all this stuff. It costs probably about $40 in fees per tier. So it's fairly significant, actually.
So you could skip tiers and start like further down?
No, you have to start with tier 1, go to tier 2, go to tier 3, go to tier 4. So if you recall on that one slide, it basically showed, tier 1 is like 200, tier 2 was 200, 400, 800. So they add, right? So when you hit the 800, you're at 1,600 spent already. When you go up to the 1,600 one, now you're at 3,200 spent, right? So you have to kind of work through how much you want to invest and then kind of work backwards on how many tiers you can get for that. Or vice versa, you decide what tier you want to go to and figure out how much money you need. obviously just looking at the crypto promotion that they got going on right now, ideal position would be going tier 5 on the crypto side. And then, you know, that would be about $1,600, I think. Or is that, no, it's 3,200, I do believe. But you don't have to put anything into the Forex. So you can have, it's completely separate, a tier for crypto and a tier for Forex.
Can you explain that, Ryan? When
Yeah,
we
so,
invest, I mean, when we contribute, we have to choose whether we want to do Forex or crypto, right?
yeah, that's basically how it works. You kind of choose your path, so to speak. Back
What
when
do you recommend?
so when I signed up, the crypto was sucking and the Forex was doing good. So I did all Forex. Now with this new crypto promotion and them rolling out this crypto 2.0 approximately July 1st, I would 100% go the crypto. Because I think that's where we're going to start to see the bigger gains, number one, and plus the promotions. You know, if we can you know, somehow get ourselves into any of those pools or earn extra equity, because right now putting money into Forex will not give you any equity at all, because that equity pool has closed.
Can you sort of flip-flop between the two anytime you like, or, you know, once you've picked your path, are you stuck to it? And how does that kind of thing work?
Well, you can do both, right? Like if you decided, hey, I want to spend 3,200 and get to tier 5 in crypto, I could spend another 3,200 and get to tier 5 in Forex, right? So, you know, you kind of have to look at how much money you want to put in versus you know, what you can get to. So the other important thing to remember here is, and this is one that's going to be a little bit tricky. So each tier has its own matrix. So if I go into tier 1 in crypto, I'm on a matrix there. If I go into tier 2 in crypto, I'm in a different matrix. If I go into tier 3, I'm in a different matrix. These are all separate matrices, okay? So if I went to tier 3 in crypto, and Becky was to sign up and she went to tier 5 in crypto, she would actually enter the matrix of tier 4 and tier 5 ahead of me, because I haven't actually funded that, right? So you also have to think about the people that you're going to potentially refer and where they would put in and how much they would put in. So you kind of want to coordinate, I guess, a little bit too.
So how much is the initial startup if you started at like the very minimum and to get in there?
About $260, I figure. So it's $200. It's 100 into the Forex, 100 into the crypto. And then the fees would be a little over $40, probably $50-$60 somewhere in there.
But we need Tron in there as well. Is that extra?
No, that's including. So that's where those fees were coming in.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the very minimum you can get in. You can get in and start to, you know, at least have some skin in the game, so to speak, and potentially share it with people then.
We only need Tron for gas fees, right? Okay.
The problem is the gas fees are very high in this. And the only thing I can think of is because it goes into so many different smart contracts. You know what I mean? It's, you put it into one smart contract and then it filters to like 10 other smart contracts. And so you're paying like gas fees 10, 20 times for every one transaction you kind of do, right? Because normally Tron is very good with their fees. You know, normally it's pennies for a transaction, you know, maybe $1, but not $40.
So if you initially invest in Forex, can you move that over to crypto?
I don't think so, but I don't know that answer.
I don't like that answer.
Yeah, I don't think you can, but you know, you got to figure that the lower ones are fairly inexpensive anyways. You know, to add in $200 more to go to tier 2 in crypto, and you know, then another $400, and you know, you're you're basically at the same spot that you were in the crypto, right? Not that, yeah, that's necessarily sitting around, but I'm just, you'd be at the same level anyways.
Hey, Ryan, when he said that they earned, or I don't know, the bots or whatever did 900%, what does that mean exactly? I mean, is that what they actually paid out?
Well, their trading works a little bit unique. So you can withdraw anytime you want the profits that you've made, so to speak. Now, if you don't withdraw, it keeps compounding and compounding and compounding, and it'll keep compounding for up to 6 months. And then at the exact day, 6 months from the day that you launched, if you have not done any withdrawals, they're going to take their withdrawal fee, so to speak. They call it a performance fee. So that performance fee gets triggered every 6 months, whether you withdraw or not, is basically how it works. So I do believe the withdrawal fee is 30%, but once again, that goes into different pools, kind of similar to how CFX did, where it would go into different matrices and stuff like that. This one goes to, I'm just trying to remember, it goes to, there's a referral and team trading fund or whatever that that you earn some money off of.
How would you rate it risk-wise from a risk perspective?
It's kind of like I was saying at the very beginning. When I look at something like this, crypto and Forex, the whole market is risky, right? It's
Right.
always risky. So all I look to do is find companies that kind of help balance that risk. And when I look at a company like this, the fact that they have very visible ownership, they're regularly doing corporate calls, they are, they're doing these live events. They've been in business for 2.5 years. They kind of get around, the whole investment rules by doing the crowdfunding, because that falls under a different category than investment. And that's why it's so critical to clearly state that, right? That this is crowdfunding.
Mm-hmm.
It helps with some of that risk. Now, I'll just use the States for an example. The SEC is kind of such a wild card. They seem to make up new rules every day. So they don't even know what they're doing, let alone the people they're doing it to. You see it in the crypto market right now, for example. So you just don't know when it comes to that part. There's nothing a person can do, right, except that risk if you're going to get into Forex and crypto, I think.
Where is D.AI.SY based, Ryan?
Good question. I think they're European, but I'm not 100% positive on that. I think they're all European. That lady from Endotech definitely is, but I think the guys are too. I think one of the three owners, one of the guys' name is Ilya, so that's very European. Yeah. I don't know off the top of my head though.
What happens, Ryan, at the end of the 6 months? You said at the end of the 6 months, the 30% gets taken off. Is that similar to you capping out at 200%? You start again. Is that how that works? Or
no, not at all. Not at all. It's just, let's just say you put in $1,000 and you made, in 6 months you doubled your money, right? You made another $1,000. They would take $300 as a performance fee right out of your account, out of your trading account, and then they would just roll over that other 70% into the compounding.
Okay, so you can compound indefinitely, just takes 30% off every 6 months as their fee, assuming you don't do withdrawals.
Yeah, exactly. And it's actually good. So if you really think about this, because if they were forcing you to withdraw, let's say every month and pay performance fees, you would be losing 30% every month and be compounding way slower. Because they only do it every 6 months, you're compounding with even their money, so to speak, right?
Yes, yeah.
Compounding. Then the 6 months hits, and then they take out their 30%, and then you're back to compounding for another 6 months. And it's 6 months on the date. So whatever day you joined, if you joined June 1st, it's going to be December 1st, and then June 1st the next year. Type of thing.
I guess people would just leave it forever and ever, so that's why they do it.
Some people do. Well, you do at some point you will probably withdraw because you're going to upgrade to another tier. So you do upgrade along the, or so you do withdraw along the way to be able to upgrade to another tier.
Is that how to upgrade? Is to actually do a withdraw and then upgrade?
You know what? I haven't had to do one yet, so I'm not 100% positive on that, but you do have to do it through your wallet. I know that for a fact. So whether it's through referrals or you putting more money into your wallet or you taking money out of your trading and putting it into your wallet, it has to come out of your wallet.
Mm.
So when you have referrals and stuff like that, like the second that they put money into the smart contract, you get paid into your wallet. Like that second, it's instant. It's all automatic. It's all smart contract. It's not, you don't wait for anybody to do anything. I don't know how it works on the actual withdrawal part. If that's just an automatic click, click, done. Also, it probably is, but I don't know that for a fact. That's the cool thing about everything being through a smart contract. We don't have to wait for batch withdrawals or anything like that. Any other questions? I'm going to stop the recording. If you have any more, we can still talk.